How to add Pinterest widget on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to add Pinterest widget on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, make sure you have downloaded and installed Pinterest application on your device and make sure it is up to date. Now you need to tap on the home screen of your Android phone and at the bottom you'll find different icons like wallpaper, icons, widgets, layout, transitions and more. So to add Pinterest widget on your Android, tap widgets and locate Pinterest. When you scroll down, here we can successfully locate Pinterest applications widget. So here are two types of widgets. You can easily choose anyone like display one pin from your home screen or simply display up to 6 pins. So you can easily choose which widget you want. Suppose let's tap for 4 by 2 and here you can easily tap the down button at top right and wait until it is loading, and as you can see that we have successfully added Pinterest widget on our Android device. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.